how you all doing? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and to all my returning subbies, thank you so much for always coming back. Welcome to yet another vlog. Today is on Sunday, starting this vlog on Sunday. Didn't go to church, hoping that I will go next Sunday on God. So yeah, I'm starting this vlog. The last time I was here was like a month ago, Nilsa's birthday. Yeah? So I received your birthday wishes before the vlog was like categorized for kids. That means the comment section was turned off. So I truly appreciate your wishes and your sweet messages, you know. And welcome to this vlog. I actually did my hair na inabomoka already, but sibomoi anytime soon. Gel itafanya its work, but mi nasemanga hivyo alafu nikikaka naona na nakaa vibaya na bomoa. But the good thing about this hair ni eti nikibomoa I can actually reuse the hair used, yeah. So yes, I wanted to tell you something, guys. You see, early this year I created my own vision board, and it was inspired by people through TikTok. So TikTok to December, like ikienda kuisha tukienda karibu New Year, watu walikuwa wame create their vision board. Like a lot of people walikuwa wame create their vision board, and 90% to 90% of them walikuwa wanatuonyesha like their vision board and what they have achieved. And I wanted to try that this year, and true to say that God has been faithful, because I created my vision board like ilikuwa January, sijui early January. I created my own vision board, and guys, like jana nimeangalia, sijui ni jana mani juzi, nimeangalia like the things that I have already achieved from the vision board, and I can say God is great, because like 60% of the things that I had envisioned, most of them I have already received them, in as much that some of them were like short term. But I am truly grateful to God, and I'm looking forward to like accomplish or get everything that I had envisioned, and even better, because God's plan are even better, you know. So yeah, this is a sign for you to write your vision board. Sijui kama say it's too late, but yeah, mainly hadi kenye imetuma niwaambie hivyo, it's because lately I have been noticing that I'm being so ungrateful to God with the things that He has blessed me with. I'm too focused with the things that I don't have, and forgetting the things that He has already made them happen for me. Because yani I have not been counting my blessings, nimekuwa tu and that has been affecting my mood. It has been affecting my way of operating, because nimekuwa lazy hadi ku vlog. I didn't even see like my channel is growing or anything of the sort. Sijui kama mnani get, like I didn't feel like anything was going anything was going as planned, or anything was growing. I felt like I'm stuck, and this is what the Satan wants us to feel, because he's making our minds focus with the things that we don't have, just like Eve focused with the things that God alimpatia the whole garden. The garden also, obviously the garden ilikuwa na a lot of trees zenye zilikuwa na matunda tamu tamu, zilikuwa with fruitful, you know, trees that were so fruitful, but she chose to kwenda kwa ile ya katikati yenye amekuwa forbidden to like eat. And I feel like Satan, the devil, wants us to focus more with the things that we don't have, so that we can be able to sin and feel like our lives are meaningless, and forget about the things that God has actually blessed us with, because it's a lot. If we don't have the things that we want at the moment, God knows we don't need it, because everything that you need, you already have it. So yeah, na feel nimeongea mingi but anyways, welcome to this vlog. I'm hoping that you're going to watch till the end. Guys, happy new week. Today's on Monday. I am preparing chipo for lunch. Certainly niko na energy ya kupika, but my daughter is not eating like anything. Anakula vitu kidogo kidogo, and that is unlike her. So I think I don't really ako na minyo. Mama atakuja na dawa za minyo jioni, but for the time being hadi akuwe mgonjwa aje, Nilsa huwa resist chipo, so she'll just eat chips. Yeah, and then we call it a day. Maybe we'll meet jioni when I'm preparing supper or something of the sort. I hope that you guys are doing great, and you're enjoying the vlog so far. Niko kwa raundi ya mwisho. Hi loves, it's later during the day. Our day has been quite good, thank God for that. Suddenly around 6:50, I want to cook supper. We are having rice and sijui kama ni baazi ama freezer, but at least zimeacha kukuwa frozen kidogo. So we are having this. I think they are baazi kama sikosei. So yeah, let us cook together. I'm hoping that you guys are really enjoying the vlog. Hey guys, good morning. Today is on Tuesday. I just wanted to say hi. I said that I'll be vlogging each and every single day just to bring back that spark. Yeah, whole vlog. So today we don't have much. I'm just going to drink my tea just to woke up early in the morning. Tulipatia Nilsa daminyo na feel ni kama alimwaga, siko sure. Nilikuwa na usingizi juu pia tena usiku motherhood juu pia usiku leo ameshinda akiamka katikati usiku. I think alikuwa njaa, but asubuhi after amekunywa daminyo ameamka akakula. She has fed, she has drank a lot of yogurt. I'm just waiting for the porridge to like cool, and then I give her the porridge. Then we see, I monitor her during the day and see how she's going to like be. And then yeah, basically that's it for my day. But I'll drink breakfast. I have a few clothes that I have to like fold, and then yeah, that's all. Thank you, mommy. Maybe. Thank you, mommy. Mom. Wait. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Haya, nipende. Unaniumiza baby, kata hapa basi. Kata hapa. 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 Hapa si uko chini hapa. Kuonyesha. Cut. Thank you, baby. Wait, mama. Ona. Ouch. Ni blunt. Ngoja acha ndio usijikate baby, acha. Okay. Okay. Ouch.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room,
Hi loves, happy Friday, happy Easter to you all. Today is on Friday. Just completed and doing my hair. Mnaona kama ningeendelea na hiyo nywele ilikuwa imeanza kunikata huko nywele. But anyways, how you all doing? Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We have come to the end of this vlog. It's on Friday. I'm truly thankful to God that I was able to vlog for the whole week. Here I am. Kuja. That I was able to vlog for the whole week. Expect on Wednesday. Hoping to do better next week in next week's vlog. I hope that you guys have enjoyed the vlog till here. For me, it's a goodbye. Let us meet in the next one. I hope that you have enjoyed. I hope that you guys are going to subscribe. And if this content interests you, kindly don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, let us meet in the next one. Bye. Unavaa kofia na nashinda kwa nyumba. Actually, this kofia looks good. Nitaifunga vizuri.